Web part we have like mainly we will be having this thing. What you call is we need to create first two EC2 instance. I'll show you. First, I'm telling you like theoretically. First, we need to create two EC2 instance which needs to be in different availability zone. Okay. Suppose this is in 1A, so then it should be in 1B. Okay. So then we will make both the EC2 instance like we will installing the web server. So web server as in we have Apache, right? So these are the EC2 instance. So we will be installing in this web server as a Apache. Both the instance. I'll tell you how to install Apache in the like Ubuntu and all. So then we will be creating target group. Then we will be creating load balancer using the target groups, and we will be verifying by using DNS. Like if it is that what you call is traffic load is balanced or not. Traffic load, how you can verify ki if like I'll be changing this index.html file where I will be like for EC2 for availability one zone I'll make it 1A, and for EC2 1B I'll make it 1B, so that if we'll refresh the web page, it should go it at one time it should go to 1A, and the second time it should go to 1B, like that. It is like then this way we can see that key load is like verified. So what we will do, we will be yeah, so we will be creating this load balancer here. In that it will be target group also. This is the actually target group, and this is the load balancer. Okay, so yeah, I'll just I'm going to my AWS account. So I have already logged in, so yeah. So go to EC2 instance, what you call is EC2 server. So just give me 1 minute. So yeah, so just go here is okay. I have to log in again, I think. Yeah. So go to AWS account. Yeah, that those things you can do. Then create EC2 instance. As usual, I explain like simply how. So one EC2 instance I have already created and configured. So I am showing you another one. Yeah. So server LB. This is 1B. It should be. So since I have created only 1B, 1A. So now you have to create 1B. So you have to select this region 1B, right? So now you have to add this rule, not anywhere. Add security group rule. What it is, you can say is HTTP. Yeah, this is the HTTP, and you can save it from anywhere. So this will be accessible from anywhere, and make this group name is LPSG security group test 9. Okay, launch instance. This is as usual, just we need to take care of the region and the security group name. That's all. All the rest things is same. Yeah. So after while it will be start running. So it is not a standard running. Yeah, see, you can see here it is running. We'll take the public key and do SSH, and here you have to provide the public IP address properly and enter it. Make it yes. So till here, no, nothing much difficult, so you can do it. So here, from here, it is we are using sudo su to get the root user, and the command apt get update to get the latest version of everything in the system. So it will be updated now. Yeah. So after updating all this, you can see here you will not be able to see any pages or any web server since it is not made yet web server. So what we have to do, we have to apt get, we have to install Apache 2 to make it web server. So Apache 2, so it will be installed now. Now you can see here it is, it will be, the page will be shown here like it works Apache 2. Yeah, so basically, yeah, it is getting downloaded in an installing process. So it has completed the installing process. Now you can see this page will be visible. Yeah, see, and in this path we have index.html page which we need to edit it, right? So that we will put our own content. So just paste it here, just enter it. So yeah, you do, I'm removing all this previous contents. So here I have written the few codes, HTML codes. So just copy from here, just a little, like few codes are there. You can type yourself or you can copy from here. So yeah, we are at server B. This will be shown now. So we will save it, and you can see now here from verify, like these are the, this is the page we have changes it, made changes in it. So now see, we are at server 1B, it is showing correctly, right? So now go to where, load balancer, create load balancer, then here you can just give some name, load balancer test, and here you can select 1A, because our instance is in 1A region, 1B region, and 1C region. Three of them you can select it, and you have to select the this group carefully. Security group, where you have created this security group, no? So those things we have to select. So yeah, I have selected all the security groups. Then now go to create load balancer. You have to target group also you have to attach. So since we don't have target group, we are using new target group. So we will be creating. So create the target group now. Then after creating target group as in EC2 instance names we have to provide. Okay. So there you can see different target group name. So I can take any name and put the next. Just make it everything default, no issue. Like select these two, and here carefully include as pending below. Otherwise, it won't be registered. These servers will won't be registered if you not applied for this. Include as a pending below. So create target group. So target group is created now, and now you have to go here load balancer. Just refresh it and select this target group and create load balancer. So now view load balancer. So we have to wait here uh, till this is active. So what we have to do, what we have done from the beginning, I'll tell you the complete scenario till the time it gets activated. So first we have created two EC2 instance, which is name like I have named it, whatever it is. Any name you can give. That server LB 1B I have given. So here what you can notice is we have selected the different availability zone. The availability zone is 1A and availability zone is 1B. So two different availability zone is there, and we have taken the security group as well, so separately. You can check here security group is, and there we have to add HTTP. Okay, so that because we are using application load balancer, so HTTP we have to provide, and from anywhere we have to enable it. So okay, so later then after creating institution we have made it at web server. We should know it is not a simple server, we need to make it web server. So to make it a web server we need to install Apache 2. So after installing Apache 2 we are just going for creating load balancer, and this is now active. So you can create by clicking in this button, and I explain as usual like how to create and all. So now this is active. Now we'll check if it is working or not. So we are just see this is on server 1B, and we are just refreshing it. This one server 1A. So this is actually load balancer means one time it will be taking going request to server 1B, and one time it is going request for server 1A. So this is the complete thing actually. Okay, and that's all. Nothing like we should like in this sense we